happening, is that something that's surprising to you guys? Or is that pretty much how you expect this to sort of roll out?
It is and it isn't, I would say. Like I would say, the speed at which the AI systems evolved over the last 4 years to move from the category of what I refer to as حافظين versus فاهمين. Sorry for the Arabic terms. حافظين means systems that are very good at rule-based. They give them the rules and they follow the rules. Versus فاهمين means systems that are good at understanding. They can actually reason, understand, and come up with new rules themselves. That has been very, very impressive to see that. But we were all working on it. We knew it was coming. Now, what is truly amazing is how quickly humans, meaning all of us, reacted to it. Like ChatGPT growing to 100 million users in 6 weeks. This never happened for any technology in human history, period. And that was very surprising to see how, like, wow, like the humans are voting, yes, we want that. We want systems that can allow us to finally talk to the software and work with applications in the way we would like to work, as opposed to force us to go and talk to the systems and computers in the way that they want us to work, right? So I think that was a very pleasant surprise.